Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's RV Sewer Hose 4-in-1 adapter with bayonet, elbow, and lug fitting. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. Camco's RV Sewer Hose 4-in-1 adapter with bayonet, elbow, and lug fitting features swivel fittings to help easily and securely connect your RV sewer hose to the dump station. The lug fitting connects to the transparent elbow fitting with 4-in-1 adapter. The transparent elbow fitting allows you to clearly see when your tank is empty, and the 4-in-1 adapter helps to securely connect to the 3-inch slip or 3-inch, 3.5-inch, or 4-inch NPT threaded sewer connection. The 4-in-1 and elbow fitting also detach so that you can easily store your sewer hose kit in your RV bumper. The lug fitting's tapered end with twisted clamp is compatible with any Camco brand sewer hose, including these popular brands, so it's perfect for repairing an existing kit or for building your own. And it's made right here in the USA. So there you have it, Camco's RV Sewer Hose 4-in-1 adapter with bayonet, elbow, and lug fitting. If you don't have one, you should get one today. Camco.net.